at the age of 7. Then, in 2022, my school introduced me to Books, an app on which we can write books and publish them. I published my first book, Splendia's Adventure, followed by the book of poems and then the Three Smart Sisters. 3 of these books got the ISBN number by the government of India. While I was in the Prarambhik or Praveshika Purna of Bharatnatyam, I saw that my teacher, Acharya KALPNA, used to make us write a lot, and there is no particular reference or book which we could refer in times of doubts and queries. So, with a lot of hard work and dedication, I wrote this book, Prarambhik, the first step. It offers various details into different topics of Bharatnatyam, from the eye movements till the leg movements and even the hand mudras. Bharatnatyam is a dance from Tamil Nadu. It is believed that Lord Brahma first revealed this dance form to Bharat Muni, a sage of India, who later wrote the famous book. That this dance form was done in temples and the courts of king by young girls or ladies known as Devdasis. This dance is thought to be 2000 years old. I hope after reading this book, you know more about the Praveshika Purna of Bharatnatyam and all your concepts are clear. While ending with a heart full of gratitude, I pray for my teacher Acharya Kalpna that she continues to teach us all with happiness, joy, and may she be successful in her noble task of teaching. I even pray for our dance academy, Nrityakal Dance Academy. May it be a place for growth, prosperity, and has a positive impact on whoever who passes through its gates. Thank you. Now I would like to welcome my teacher, Acharya Kalpna.
I would also like to call our chief guest, Dr. Chandra Raul, Miss Anjana Singh.